Alright, so we are on the hunt for horseweed today. So I'm taking the mountain bike out on a little leisurely stroll. And by the way, it's summertime. It's 95 degrees right now. Sweating like crazy. And look at that. Could it be horseweed that near the house? We're gonna ride on a little further. I'll pick up when we get there. All right, so this field right here behind me is the one that got my attention. I have no idea if it's horseweed or not, but let's give it a closer look. Horseweed, yay or nay? I'm gonna take a couple of stalks back to the house in my bag. Either way. Let's see if what we're taking home is actually horseweed. Now, a long ride back with my bounty. Level 3 out. All right, made it back to the hacienda. So let's get this stuff off my back, inspect it, see what it really is. It might have been a bust, or I might have found my treasure. Again, not sure. It's a very fuzzy stalk with a bunch of little nodules where the leaves come off. I'm gonna dry it out and see. See how it goes. Got one more to de-leave, and we'll see what we got. All right, so I got four rods here I'm gonna play with and let dry out and see what we get. And you might be wondering what knife I'm using today. It's a Gerber Mansfield. A buddy of mine gave me this, and I'll tell you, this is a sweet little pocket knife. It looks like it's got a Scandinavian type of blade on it, you know. I like that. It's a D2 metal used, D2 steel for the blade, and this is one of the cheaper ones you can find it for under 20 bucks, you know. So I'm enjoying it. It is sharp as a razor blade. I kid you not. It is ridiculous. So I'll just show you, pick up something real quick, and it just bites and slices. Nice, real thin blade for that. No lock back. This is like the old style pocket knife. It's got a really firm drop right there, but no locking mechanism in it. Again, the Gerber Mansfield. If you need a nice cheap pocket knife, check it out. You go on Gerber's website, there's another steel that they offer. They're selling that one for about 50 bucks. But you know, this one right here is, man, hands down a sweet little pocket knife. All right, so for what it's worth, let me get back to the question mark horseweed that I collected. All right, level 3 out. All right, everybody, so I'm working on the hand drill this week. You know, and I've been giving myself time. I've been working on the muscle memory, building up endurance. Like I said, you gotta do that. And I'm making some progress, and I'm gonna share that with you, so stick around. All right, so what do I got? I've got a stalk right here, and I will show you how you get this stuff prepared, all right? All right, so you got this stuff here. I don't know if you can see the fine little fibers or the little knobs where the leaflets were, but all that little fuzzy stuff right there and the knobs, you're gonna take your knife and scrape down it. Voila, it's a nice smooth stick here. Now you see the end there. That's no good for bow drill, or that's no good for hand drill. Gonna have to get a nice little area like this right here going. And that should be able to start right into that hole on the fireboard, help keep its place and help burn it in. So this one here is ready to go. All right, level 3 out. Whew. So I got a long ways to go, you know, with this. It's like I'm getting char. I got that going on. And I don't know if you can tell this or not, but the sky, we've been getting a lot of rain, so the humidity is up. So, you know, if I thought my hands could hold up for some more, I'd certainly keep going. Wind's blowing, probably got a storm coming. But you know, progress is made. Doggone it, hold up a minute. Love it, love it, love it. Got the next challenge coming in here. All right. Okay, let's listen up here. Well done. Another accomplished challenge. Question is, was it worth it? Seems you're reluctant to use the knowledge you've gained in your fire challenges. Just a reminder, don't take shortcuts, all caps, exclamation points. You've earned the right to move on to the level 2 survival, shelter, and fire challenge. Before you accept, read the terms. Level 2 gets harder. The level 2 survival, shelter, and fire challenge requires you to take a regular poly tarp and 50 foot of 550 paracord into the woods for an overnighter. Use the materials to construct your sleeping space for the night. Be warned, a strong mind is a necessity, especially after your worrisome incident in the woods. And yeah, I know. Oh, and no commercial tent this time. The same rules apply for the fires last time. Randomly determine a level 1, 2, or 3 fire. Complete these tasks and you move on to level 3. Use only the given tools. You can take your knife and add a tool. Have you chosen one yet? I have. I decided to go with the folding saw. I think that's going to be my best going forward. But anyways, okay, have you chosen one yet? And you also have the option to upgrade a tool. So what'll it be? Are you quote unquote ready for anything? I look forward to your answer and possible next adventure, and good luck. Well, you know what? I am ready. I will admit, it is a bit daunting to go into the woods without a tent. I've never done that, so this is going to be new, because even a tarp, I think about all the configurations of a tarp, and there's open-ended, there's just a covering over you, there's, you know, just having the walls of a tent gives some false sense of security that allows you to be at peace, even though I know it's a false sense of security. But a tarp, oh my goodness, even less. All right, so I got to pick those materials up for the next adventure, because level 3 readiness accepts. You know, that being said, I'm going to nurse my wounds. I'll show you some more progress of this before we close the video out. I want you to see the smoke rising. I want you to see the char building. It is very, very cool. I mean, you might even get to see me make an ember this time. I just think that would be awesome. But with the weather changing on me right now, we're gonna have to pick this up at another time. For right now, level 3 out. All right, well, the sun's come out after the rain, and now everything was humid. Now it's humid and everything's wet. But I'm still gonna try to get a little bit of smoke and just show some of the progress that I've got going on. So let me set the camera up right here and we'll see what we can get. All right. Try to get some smoke out of this contraption here. Nope, no ember. All right, that's my practice for today. Man, but that is one tough thing to get down. I'm not quite there yet. So, and I'll tell you, it has really gotten muggy out here. Wow. But anyways, listen, let me remind you guys, there is a giveaway going on for a Gerber Strongarm camp. All right, so if you didn't know about that already, I'm gonna put the video link in the description below. But all you have to do is go to that video, like that video, comment what you'll do with that knife in that video, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. hope you enjoyed the video this week, going out getting the horseweed or question mark, whatever it is. Let me know again. You know, you guys probably can verify this stuff for me even better than you know, what I see on the internet, but just let me know, is it horseweed? I mean, I'm gonna keep working with it. I believe it will give me an ember. With that kind of smoke, that kind of char, I believe it will give me an ember. But again, that be said, I can't wait to rest up and come back out this this weekend and see if I can get that thing to really go for me. Again, thanks you guys so much for the support. Thank you for liking, subscribing, all the good things you do. And this is Level 3 Readiness reminding you, hey, finish what you start, finish strong, and be ready for anything because it's coming. Sweating like crazy.